Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the Rocket League save file error. So I had that problem after resetting my PC, and it was very frustrating because like when you open Rocket League you have to see the cutscene and play a match with the bots. So it was very frustrating, and after you play the match with bots I got my levels back and all my stuff back, but after I exit and again I launch it I get the same problem. So how I fixed it was, uh, I went to library, then go to your documents. So if you can't find your documents here, go to this PC, then local disk, then users, then your name will be here. So mine is Ashraf. So after going in that, you can find your documents here. So after going there will be a folder, my games. So this is where our data is stored. So if you don't have this folder, that might be the issue. So what you need to do is make a new folder named my games. Then after you make it, then open that folder you made, then make another folder named Rocket League. After that, close this and open Rocket League. So after you do that, there will be two files. This will be created by Rocket League. So if it doesn't create, I recommend to verify the game if you install it through Epic Games. So after you go here, go to TA Games, then there will be Save Data Epic. So open this. So these are the save files. So what you need to do, if you have this error, you need to cut this. Cut and move it somewhere. So I am going to um, move it to my desktop. Paste. So there is nothing here. So what you need to do next is open your Rocket League. Then after opening your Rocket League, after playing the match with bots and after getting your levels back, exit it. So I'm just gonna skip that part for you guys. So I played the match. So it's showing like this. Yeah, so I got my levels and all my things back. So what you need to do is now quit Rocket League. Now what you need to do is, if you haven't done this before, yeah, see now there are two save files again. So what you need to do is delete these both. Then go to where you changed your files, then move it. Cut to documents, my games, Rocket League, TA Games, Save Data Epic, DBE Production. Now just paste it here. So now your problem must be solved, and if you opened it first and you couldn't find these save files, what you need to do is just repeat it again. Like if you didn't have these two files here before itself, you open Rocket League, then you get your levels back. I mean, after playing the cutscene, you will have these save files. So after that, you need to cut it, then put it to desktop, then open Rocket League again, then there will be two save files. Then what you need to do is then delete that, then put the old save files here. So if you have um, any doubts, feel free to comment it down. And if this doesn't work, what you need to do is go to security, then go to update and security, then go to Windows security, then go here virus and threat protection, Then go here, virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. And what you need to do is to go to controlled folder access, manage control folder access. Then if you want, off this or on it and allow an app through control folder access. So like I already added Rocket League here. So how to do that is go to add an allowed app, browse all apps, then go here. Like where your game is located. So my games is in this folder, Rocket League, TA game, sorry, Rocket League binaries Win64, and here it will be. So if it is not there for you, it will be in local disk, then program files, then there will be an Epic Games. Then when you open that, you can see your Rocket League folder, then go to binaries and 64 and Rocket League. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope it helps. Thank you.